Dressings are usually made with olive oil, but nut oils are just as delicious, just like macadamia oil. This one's fantastic because it's Australian owned, grown, and it's cold pressed here too. It has a beautiful nutty flavour, also slightly buttery, and I love to pair it particularly with some fennel and orange. So this is a little trick that I like to show people. When your mustard is almost finished, don't throw it away, because this is fantastic, not only to be a vessel to make a dressing in, but all of that mustard makes a great dressing or vinaigrette. So in there I've got about a tablespoon of the mustard. To that I'm going to add some white wine vinegar and just a little sweetness, some honey. You could also use maple syrup and our macadamia oil. It's great for dressings like this, but it's also fantastic for frying, baking and roasting. So the general ratio when you're making a vinaigrette like this is 1 part vinegar or any acid to 3 parts oil. So that's about 3 parts there. Lid goes on and we'll give it a really good shake. I'll add a pinch of salt and another shake. And just by shaking it, you get this lovely thick vinaigrette, perfect for any salad. So my salad, let's build that. I have a mixture of leaves here, some radicchio, some rocket, lovely peppery leaves, some baby spinach, our crunchy fennel that's been finely sliced in and around, pop of citrus, a little bit of orange, and the crunch of some toasted macadamia nuts. And the dressing goes on. I love the taste of this. A little drizzle over the top, and the rest of this, lid goes on. You can pop it in the fridge, or if it's nice and tight, pop it in a dry area in your pantry, and it's ready to go for your next salad.